Before we begin, make sure you watched part 1. The link is in the description, so check it out first. In this tutorial, we are going to create this cinematic documentary style animation in Alight Motion. So let's get started. Open up Alight Motion. Let's continue with part 2. Tap the plus icon and add an image. Then add a rounded rectangle shape. Open Edit Shape, adjust the size and set the corner radius. Next, tap the top menu and rename this layer to Mask. Now, select both the mask layer and your portrait image layer and tap Group and Mask at the top. Rename this new group to Image 1. Tap Image 1 to edit inside the group. Then tap Move and Transform and scale the portrait image down slightly so it fits perfectly inside the rounded card mask. Go back to the main composition timeline. Select the Image 1 layer, tap Move and Transform and slide the card off screen to the right. Now, select the Image 1 layer and parent it to Null 1. Select the Null 1 layer, open Move and Transform Image 1 in the center of the frame. And turn on the Grid tool to help with precise alignment. Now, let's add some visual polish to the card. Select Image 1, go to Border and Shadow and turn on Shadow. Increase the shadow size to 50. Set the alpha to 40% and adjust the Y position to 40. Next, go to Effects, tap Add Effect and search for Saturation and Vibrance. Add the effect and increase the vibrance. Then add another effect called Soft Glow. Open the Soft Glow settings, lower the brightness, adjust the contrast and set the blend. You can also experiment with these settings to get a look that works best for your animation. To transition out of the first card, open Move and Transform on Null 1. Set the keyframes to slide Image 1 off screen to the left. Then paste the same easing curve to make the exit movement smooth. Next, select Image 1, tap the Layer Options icon and choose Duplicate Layer. Rename this copy to Image 2. Open Move and Transform on Image 2 and position it off screen to the right. This way, it can enter the frame right as the first card leaves. Now tap Image 2 to open its group. Then tap the plus icon, go to Media and select your second image. Delete the existing portrait image. Adjust its scale inside the mask. Then return to the main timeline. Now you have a seamless card swipe transition from Image 1 to Image 2. Go to Move and Transform on Null 1, add a keyframe and slide Image 2 off screen to the left. Open the curve editor and paste the same easing curve. Right after Image 2 slides off to the left, I've added this simple ChatGPT logo and text. Let me open the group to show you what's inside. It's super simple. All I've done here is apply a flicker effect to the logo, and that's pretty much it. And that's it for this tutorial and the documentary video we created in this process. If you want to get the Alight Motion template, click the video on the left. And if you want to watch the full tutorial, click the video on the right. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.